Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia Garcia and today I thought I would do another haul because I went to T.J.Maxx recently and I went to another store called Face Values. It's a partner with Bed Bath & Beyond. They actually have a little section inside of Bed Bath & Beyond and they also have their own separate store. And there's a store that opened up near my house. So I was lucky enough to do that. Also, pro tip right here, if you have the store near you, bring your Bed Bath & Beyond coupons because they take them. I mean, legit. Such a great store. If you guys want to see me do a video about that store, let me know in the comments below. But today I thought I would show you guys some of the stuff I got at Face Values and some of the stuff I got at T.J.Maxx. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel down below. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first place I went was Face Values, so I'll start with that. So I got my Master Fix FaceStudio Setting Spray by Maybelline there, and I got a 20% discount on this because I had a coupon, so definitely check out Bed Bath & Beyond and see if they have a Face Value section inside them, or look for a Face Value store near your house. I mean, like, legit, the store is amazing. I also went ahead and got my Duo Eyelash Glue. It is the liquid liner kind of pen that comes with it, and it's really good. Like, I'm wearing my eyelashes right now, and can you tell? Like, no. So definitely check this out as well. Also 20% off because I had the coupon. You know how we do. Okay, so next I went to T.J.Maxx. I only got a couple things at T.J.Maxx, but I mean, like, I thought it was pretty cool. So I got the ALGENIST alga correcting, I don't even know how to spell this, how to read this, whatever, alga correcting complex. And it's one of those Luminizing drops. It's really cool. I got it for $9.99. It looks like this. It's really pretty. Go ahead and test them out on my hand for you guys. Look at that. It's like gold tint to it. It's gonna be so great. Oh, can you like see that shine right there, you guys? Like, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it smells like, it smells very fresh. It almost has like a wine smell, like a white wine smell. I know it's so weird to say, but like, it does, it does. So definitely gonna be using this on my daily basis, you know, because necessary life. So yeah, the next thing I got, was the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Stick. There's color correcting eyeshadow primer. Oh my god. Okay, wrong. I got the Lock It Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. So you put this on before you put your eyeshadow on, which is really great. It's in shade Light. This was, drumroll please, $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Like, seriously? This shit goes for like, this shit goes for like, I don't even know how much it's for, but like, not $4.99, like, come on. This is what it looks like. It's wonderful, and let's try it out on my hand. I mean, like, what else do you expect from a primer? So, definitely a good find. And then my last and final find, which I am so obsessed with, like, I wanted one of these palettes forever, like, literally forever, but like, I didn't want to spend like $40+ on it, because like, you know, like, is it worth it? But it definitely was, because I got this, you guys ready for it? $18.99 at TJ.Maxx, and it is the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in shade Fair, and it's soft light, luster, fair, fawn, shadow, and ink. I've already tapped into this, so I'm sorry if it looks like gross. I just put it back in the package so you guys could see it when I like opened it, but like, it's beautiful, like, legit beautiful. Let's take this off, right? So I mean, like, you can see I've kind of gotten it messy, but like, whatever. Like, I said like a lot, but whatever. It is beautiful. I love it so much. I've definitely been playing with it because I could not, like, not play. When I got home, I had to play with this thing, like, legit. So if you guys want to see a contour tutorial using this palette, let me know in the comments below because I would definitely love to do that for you guys. But I can't believe $18.99 for this. Like, are you serious? This thing goes for like $40+ in Sephora. I don't really know the exact amount, but legit awesome. That's about it for my haul today, you guys. You know I love shopping, so yeah. Let me know in the comments below if you have any requests for my next videos, or if you want to see me do a tutorial using that palette. Other than that, that's really all I got for you. So yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna stop saying so. Yeah, I'm gonna try really bad. That's all I got for you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.